making a nice warming salted caramel latte. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got some soy milk, any plant-based milk will do. I've got some coconut sugar, pitted medjool dates to add that caramel flavour, some coconut butter, some vanilla extract and a little bit of salt. So I'm going to be heating this milk on the stove top just until it boils. However, you could turn this into a smoothie by simply not heating the milk and adding a little bit of ice. So I'm simply going to add all the ingredients into the blender and pour the heated milk on top. Blitz it all until it's nice and frothy and combine, and then I'm going to serve it in some little mugs and top it with some whipped vegan cream and marshmallows.